have to require a minimum level of credibility from somebody who will be talking and be cited and quoted in public, di ba? Kasi there's a certain responsibility we all carry in telling these stories to our people na syempre it has to be based on the truth, di ba? Pero kung talaga napaka-imposible, bakit natin pagugulungin yung kwentong ganoon? Di ba? Ako sa akin, kalokohan eh. Nung unang, siyempre, yung unang statement niya nakakagulat. Diba? Kasi siyempre, he's accusing the president. We are all serving the president. So siyempre, nasa shock kami. Pero the more you listen to him, the more ridiculous yung kanyang mga sinasabi. Kaya kanina nag-uusap kami, parang ako nga, parang patulang pa ba natin yan? I mean, bayaan mo na sa social media palabas lahat ng inconsistencies dyan. Pero hindi, we felt that it is important for the public to know that Congress is in support of the President. Period. Di ba?